Coming up next, we follow the rise of one of Africa's youngest CEOs in one of Africa's oldest commercial institutions. Welcome back. As Africa embraces a new trading era under the single continent-wide market, some of its oldest institutions are also looking to the future, investing in technology and modernizing their financial services. Kenya Commercial Bank was founded in 1896 and is East Africa's largest commercial bank, servicing over 25 million customers in 7 African countries. 8 years ago, they appointed their youngest CEO in the bank's history.
I am Joshua Oigara, the Managing Director and CEO of KCB Group PLC. I am connected Africa through simplifying access of financial services and enabling transformation of lives for our communities in the regions that we operate in East Africa. I have always said that as a young leader in our markets, what we want to see is you can be in Nairobi in KCB today and get the same services you get in the largest bank in the world based in Beijing in China, or the largest bank based in New York today in the United States of America. And that's what we're delivering, one center of global expertise in the markets we operate. That is what I give you at the future of the bank. We offer a broad range of services today, and our aim to simplify, make it easier for customers to be able to access financial services, not just banking. We are very much involved in small startups. If you want a business and you want to kick off, we're involved in large construction projects. So bigger projects, we are involved very much on housing development, which is an area of growth here. Mortgages, developments, home ownership, which is a huge asset class for our markets here in the continent. And then very frontline on technology, in terms of changing our businesses. Today, more than 98% of our transactions are fully moved digital. So we are disrupting ourselves through investing in technology. And the ambition is today close to 10 million clients across the region directly and indirectly work with KCB to make their lives better, to build businesses. And that is the story of KCB. We are the only institution that can connect the customer within the East African region. We are in each and every market today in the community. And that's a market of today more than 140, 150 million people. That is the opportunity for an entrepreneur in this market. It used to take us maybe 2 weeks to settle a transaction. Let's assume even if you are just in the region. We are settling through maybe a correspondent bank in New York or London or Germany. Today, you settle same day. Because you see, speed today is really the enemy of the slow. And that for me is what banking is doing by removing the barriers, simplifying the process, availing liquidity across the market. So a lot of the challenges we face today is trade, Yvonne, for us, is largely outside our partners, is largely outside the region. In fact, Africans trades less by itself than it trades with other global partners. This is just a huge conflict. The free trade area for the continent gives you a huge market opportunity. And I see what excites me is through trade, we can increase the level of business. This is potentially 1.2, 1.3 billion people connected, and you can create a market of close to $4 trillion. Yeah, and that's like twice the GDP of the continent. Banking is one of the sectors that remains a catalyst for the economy in the last 15 months. I can't remember, I've been here every day. Okay. Despite COVID, we have all been here every day because banking is an essential service. You must provide that support. We were the first to provide intervening measures for customers. Because what matters in a crisis is how do you support clients to build their businesses. Remember, we are a very strong cog that drives business. And I've always said that businesses are at the next front of driving government agenda by enabling business transactions to come, especially financial institutions. We are in the nexus of development. We have to provide financial resources and liquidity. Government provides an facilitating environment, and then business and enterprise deliver the opportunities. There are many things we can say about business and entrepreneurship. But if you don't lift the profile of people, I am a big believer in sustainable development goals, no poverty, correct? That's one of the ambitions you've taken. If we can lift people up and make sure they're not left behind, that is one ambition that the market will create. So green lending, climate financing, how do we deal with those ones? And also making sure that our people are carried along. And that triple bottom line effect is what will drive the future of our banking sector.
Exciting times for the banking sector on the continent. As ever, it's great to shine a light on the young African leadership. Please read more stories on our website. Until next time, stay connected.